Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play like Acorn. First, let's cover the basics of movement. Acorn's small stature makes them incredibly agile, perfect for dodging incoming fire and navigating tight spaces. Practice using the double jump to gain vertical advantage or escape tricky situations. Remember, quick transformations into oak are key for survival and engaging larger threats effectively. Mastering these movements will significantly improve your gameplay. Next, let's dive into Acorn's unique abilities and how to use them strategically. The sap trap is excellent for controlling enemy movement, allowing you to set up ambushes or cover your retreat. Acorn Dash provides a quick burst of speed, perfect for dodging critical attacks or closing distances. When playing as Oak, remember to stick with your team, using your larger health pool to absorb damage and protect allies. Knowing when to transform into Oak is crucial for success. Switch to Oak when you need more health to withstand heavy attacks or when engaging groups of enemies. Oak's primary weapon delivers consistent damage, making it ideal for taking down tougher opponents. However, be mindful of Oak's reduced mobility. Plan your transformations to avoid being caught out of position, ensuring you can still contribute effectively to the fight. Finally, let's discuss team play and positioning. As Acorn, your agility allows you to scout ahead or flank enemies, but always be ready to support your team. When you transform into Oak, your role shifts to a more defensive one. Protect your squishier teammates and focus on holding important objectives. Effective communication and understanding your role in both forms are vital for securing victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.